Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create account on Telegram Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open Play Store and search Telegram and install Telegram app to your device, and after that tap on open and tap on start messaging, tap on continue, allow, and tap on country and select here your country from this list. Also you can search your country by tapping on the search icon to the right hand corner. So select your country and now enter here your valid phone number and tap on done, tap on yes, tap on continue. So now you will need to verify your phone number and tap on continue. So here we can say I've successfully created a Telegram account. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.